This is the longest vacation after the COVID-19. So I hope the Chinese will be enthusiastic for traveling. My name is Philip. I'm a French teacher in Houi University, east of China. And for the 8 days of National Day, after being trapped so many days, I want to go out and see. I choose to go to the Yellow Mountains. It's a very famous natural attraction in China. So at first, I need to book a ticket on a hotel online. Yes! I get one. I believe this one is a good one. Many people take the high-speed train in China. So, because we are going to be so many people in the carriage, we need to put the mask on. Get out of the train. The check must be done this way, it's very safe. Ready to go. So here we are on the Yellow Mountains. In April it was a big news, it was crowded everywhere. People were afraid that maybe it will spread the virus, but it didn't. 6 months later I am in, and believe me, it's very safe. Climbing the mountains on a cable, many people like to do that. Beijing increased the numbers of people from 50% to 75%. And if your QR code is green, if you don't have temperature, if you are wearing a mask, if you don't go close in public, you can travel easy. You don't know the place? Come on. So here we are nearly on the top of this mountain. And for me it's like a magic place where you can really see. Even the weather is not very nice today, but the color is really like a black and white movie. So here we are on a very famous place. Not far away there is this very special tree. We have to wait.
Okay, 现在要。
So here we are on a welcome guest Spain. And if you climb the mountains and you came here and you didn't take a picture of it, that means you never came here. Okay, so I believe it's a place to stay tonight.
OK， 来的很巧，我们现在最后一间房。
好，谢谢。
不客气。
做煮肠回来就是面部手肠。
一碗馄饨。
好的 ，OK。好。
好，
吃完的啊。辣的不要。
对，不辣，不辣。
OK。
对。It's a bit like French cheese. Yes, after a very good night here, I'm happy to go for this journey. It's a good feeling to be there in the countryside and enjoying this kind of scenery, but why we can do that? Why we open the school in September? Because we take care about many things here in China. We really take care about the QR code, we put masks sometimes, we have to be very careful. And it's why now people can go for holiday and enjoy their time.